morning students. In today's class we are going to learn a new topic, perimeter and area. But today specifically we are going to learn about perimeter of regular or irregular shapes. We can use square grid to find the perimeter of regular or irregular shapes. In the square grid, all the squares will be of the side 1 unit. Each side in the square grid will be having the side as 1 unit. We can approximately use this square grid to find perimeter or area. But in today's class we are going to learn how to use square grid to find the perimeter. Now consider this as an agricultural field. Now we are going to find the perimeter of the field. To find the perimeter we have to count the sides of the unit square. Count the sides. Here we are having one side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So, the perimeter of the field is 27 units. To find the perimeter, we have to count the sides of the unit square. While counting, here in this corner we are having 2 squares. Remember that. Sorry, 2 sides. So, we have to count it twice. In corner, we have to count carefully. We should not leave any one side, otherwise the perimeter will go wrong. Now we are going to solve exercise 13.1. The first problem is find the perimeter of the shapes by counting the sides of the square along the boundary. The length of one side of a square is 1 centimeter. We are going to find the perimeter, so count the sides of the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. So, the perimeter is 44 centimeter. Just count the sides of the unit squares. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So, the perimeter is 40 centimeter. Second question, calculate the perimeter of each shape if length of a square is 1 centimeter. Calculate the perimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So, the perimeter is 16 centimeter. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So, the perimeter is 18 centimeter. The third question is find the perimeter of the following shapes. In one side we are having 15 meter. In this side we are having 15 meter. Here 12 meter. Here it is 25 meter. Here also it is 25 meter. Perimeter means it is the boundary. we have to find the boundary. So we have to add all the given measurements. 15, 15, 25, 25 and 12. Now add. 5 plus 5 is 10, 15, 20, 20 plus 2 is 22. So write 2 here, 2 is carried to next place. 2, 3, 4, 6, 8 and 9. So the perimeter is 92 meter. To find the perimeter, we have to just add the boundary. If we add, we have got 92. So the perimeter of the shape is 92 meter. The fifth question is, Tripti's father goes to a park every day for a morning walk. What is the perimeter of the park? We have to find the perimeter of the park. So we should add all the given measurements, that is 150 plus 150 plus 150 plus 150. If we add the boundary, we will get the perimeter. Add 0, 5, 10, 15, 20. 2 is carried to next place. 1, 2, 3, 4 and it is 6. So the perimeter equal to 600 meter. Perimeter of the park is equal to 600 meter. Next. Is there a quicker way to find the perimeter of the square park? Yes, there is a quicker way because the park is a square. So, perimeter of the square is 4 into side. So, if we multiply the side of the park with 4, we will get the perimeter. Multiply one side of the square park with 4. If we multiply one side with 4, we will get the perimeter. 0, 5 4s are 20, remaining 2. 1 4 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. So this is a quicker way to find the perimeter. The next question. What distance does he cover if he walks around the park 3 times? If we walk 3 times, we have to find the perimeter of the park. If he walk 1 time around the park, it is 600. If we walk 3 times means we have to multiply 603. So it is 1800 meter. 6 3s are 18. Add 2 zeros. So it is 1800 meter. If we walk 3 times around the park means it is nothing but the perimeter. So we have to multiply the perimeter with 3. Already we have found the perimeter as 600. So multiply 603, it is 1800. That is the answer. Next question. Find the missing length in each figure. perimeter is given as 38 centimeter. We have to find the missing length. Here is the missing length. To find the missing length, we have to add all the given length and then subtract it from 38. We will get the missing length. minus 12 plus 12 plus 3 plus 3. First add 12, 12, 3, 3. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. 1 is carried to next place. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So it is 30. 38 minus 30 equal to 8. So it is 8 centimeter. Missing length equal to 8 centimeter. To find the missing length, we have to add all other sides and then subtract it from 38. Then we will get the missing length. In today's class, we have learnt about perimeter, how to find the perimeter of regular or irregular shapes using square grid, and solve exercise 13.1. Remaining problems will be homework for you. Thank you, students.